Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play one of the classics. I'm talking about Day Tripper by the Beatles. It's in standard tuning, it's not so long, not so difficult to play. So just take your guitar and let's begin. We start playing the 6th string open. And then with the second finger we come to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. With the ring finger we come to the 4th fret on the same string. And then with the index finger, first finger, we are going to hold down at the same time the 5th and 4th strings on the 2nd fret. And we play the strings 5, 4. Okay, at the same time we hold down both. And after that we lift the index finger to play the 4th string open. And there we have the first measure. Okay, so let's try that first measure together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and then we arrive to the second measure, and we are going to play a power chord with the index finger on the 2nd fret 5th string and 3rd finger on the 4th fret 4th string. And on the right hand we play strings 5 and 4. After that we play again the 5th string and then 4th string open and 4th string 2nd fret with index finger. And there we have the second measure. Okay, so when I put together the first and second measures, it sounds like this. I play it one more time. Okay, and let's try those two measures together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and that was first and second measure. Then when we arrive to the 3rd and 4th measures, it's exactly the same. So we just have to repeat the first and second measure. So let's try to play from the measure 1 to the measure 4. So we play that melody 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and then we arrive to the 5th measure, and on the 5th and 6th measure we are going to play the same melody again, but instead of beginning on the 6th string, we are going to move everything and start from the 5th string. Exactly the same melody. Okay, so it's just that we move the whole melody one string up. So now we can try from the measure 5, and we play measure 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now we can try from the measure 3 to try to play that when we change the melody from the 6 strings, from the 6th string to the 5th. Okay, so from the measure 3. So we play that melody one time, and then we start from the 5th string. So let's try to play that together. 1, 2, 3, and... we change the string. Okay, let's try to play that again. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and then we arrive to the measure 7, and the 7th and 8th measures are again exactly the same as the 1st and the 2nd. So we are just going to play that melody that we play it 2 times starting on the 6th string, 2 times there, then 1 time from the 5th string, and then back 1 more time from the 6th string. Okay, so 2, 1, 2. So let's try together the whole page. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and... Again. And we change to the 5th string. And back to the 6th. Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Day Tripper by the Beatles. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you want to get more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.